Living Up 3 here. We got more goals to accomplish, guys. I hope you're accomplishing your goals today. Let's get into it. We have both the Fire Stick TV and the Fire Stick TV Lite. We're gonna do a comparison between these both, what's the difference, and make the right decision. Let's get it started. All right, guys, we're gonna go straight away into it. They both have 1080p Full HD picture quality. Audio quality is the same. Both the remotes have Alexa. The difference now comes in the price is that the Fire Stick Lite comes in $29.99 while the Fire Stick comes in $39.99. They both have 8 gigabytes of storage. They both have the same processor, quad core 1.7 gigahertz. And they also come with everything the same in the box. The sizing is the same. The only difference between the two is that one has a volume button and one doesn't. And honestly, does that really matter? Unless you're making your whole cable box and your whole TV straight Amazon, that could be an issue. All right, so if you, like I said, if you want everything into one cable setting, just everything into one, you want to go with the Fire Stick. Honestly, is there a winner between the two? It's pretty much your preference, but the fact that you do get everything into one, this is great, but also the fact that you can switch between back and forth from your TV to your apps a lot faster with this. Really up to what you want to get. Now the streaming quality, they're both the same, both 1080p Full HDR, great quality when it comes to both. Performance, they both perform great. Now, the original Fire Stick, this draws more power from the battery and more from the electric of your TV. So with these two, they actually draw less power. So the winner is these two compared to the original model. So if you have a problem with your electric bill or have a problem with battery drainage, you might want to look into upgrading into getting one of these both. But the outlook between these two, they're both really the same. I don't understand how this is a light, but you know, I think, my personal opinion, I really like the Stick Lite versus the original Fire Stick because I like to go back and forth between my TV, but you know, this is just a personal opinion. If you guys want to go full Fire Stick and get rid of your TV, or if you don't have a cable box or you don't have cable or TV plans, you might want to go straight to the Fire Stick. But if you're like me that goes from basic TV to streaming, you want to go with the Fire Stick Lite. They're both great options. It's really up to you on what you want to get. So, alright guys, this is Devin Up. Hope we accomplish our goals today. Hope we accomplish yours too. Thanks for watching. This is Devin Up and I'm out. What are we getting?